Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we design this amazing YouTube thumbnail step by step in Canva free version. So let's start the video. First go to upload and select this green gradient background image and stretch it in full canvas. Select square and make dark gradient. Place this gradient right side like me. Go to upload and select this image, place it left side, and cover half of thumbnail by this image. Go to element and type Pinterest and select this Pinterest logo. Now select this smartphone frame and place it right side. Select square, change color to white, and place on smartphone screen. Now we want to add text, so select text box and type the text. Go to effects and add effects on text. Now add some other text and elements on phone screen. Now select this men image and go to edit and adjust these settings as you want. And this is the final result. I hope you liked this thumbnail design tutorial. Tell me in the comments, was this tutorial helpful for you? Did you learn something new from here? And if you want more powerful thumbnail design tutorials like this, check out this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing design content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.